Ever wanted to travel the world but didn't know where to start? Ah, the thrill of adventure. There's nothing quite like it. The anticipation as you pack your bags, the excitement as your plane takes off, the awe as you explore a new place for the first time. But let's face it, travel can also be daunting. The unknown can be intimidating, and the sheer number of details to consider can be overwhelming. That's where we come in. We're here to help you navigate the world of travel, to turn the unknown into the unforgettable. Because trust us, there's a whole world out there waiting to be explored. And it all starts with preparation and planning. From researching your destination to budgeting wisely, packing smart, getting travel insurance, and embracing local culture, we've got the tips to help you on your journey. So, ready to embark on your journey? Let's dive into some essential tips. First things first, research your destination. This step is crucial for any travel journey. It's about more than just knowing where you're going. It's about understanding where you're going. Look into your destination's culture, local customs, safety, and weather conditions. Knowing about the culture and customs can make your experience more authentic and respectful. It can help you connect with locals, appreciate the nuances, and avoid unintentional faux pas. Safety is another key aspect. Check for travel advisories, learn about common tourist scams, and familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations. Lastly, let's not forget about the weather. It can dictate your packing list, schedule, and even safety. If you're heading to the Australian outback, you're going to want to know if it's jellyfish season. So, whether you're trekking through the Amazon or exploring the bustling streets of Tokyo, arm yourself with knowledge. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to travel. Next up, pack smart. Imagine this. You're hauling a hefty suitcase up a narrow staircase in a quaint, no-elevator hotel. Sounds dreadful, right? Avoid such scenarios by packing light. Essentials first: passport, money, medication, phone, and charger. Then think about what you'll actually need. Consider the weather at your destination and pack accordingly. Don't forget to check the forecast. If you're heading to the beach, pack a swimsuit, sunblock, and a good book. If you're hitting the slopes, don't forget your ski gear. Now, what about activities? Going on a hike? Pack those sturdy shoes. Attending a fancy dinner? Slip in that little black dress or a sharp blazer. A packing list can be your best friend. It's easy to forget things when you're excited about your trip, so make a list, check it twice, and pack only what you need. Packing smart can make your journey much more comfortable. Our third tip: budget wisely. Embarking on an adventure is thrilling, but it's crucial not to let the excitement cloud your judgment when it comes to finances. Planning a travel budget is key. It helps you avoid overspending and ensures you can afford all the experiences you desire. Consider what you'll need to spend on accommodation, food, and activities, and add a safety net for unexpected costs. It's better to overestimate and have money left over than to find yourself short. Finding ways to save money while traveling can also enhance your experience. Opting for public transportation over taxis, for instance, can save you a significant amount and also offers a more authentic glimpse into local life. Similarly, eating at local markets instead of fancy restaurants not only helps your wallet but also introduces you to the local cuisine and culture. Budgeting wisely allows you to enjoy your travels without breaking the bank. Fourth on our list, get travel insurance. Traveling is an adventure, filled with unexpected twists and turns. And while most of these surprises add to the fun, some can be less than pleasant. That's where travel insurance steps in. Imagine you're hiking the Inca Trail and you twist your ankle, or perhaps your luggage gets lost in transit. Maybe your flight is canceled due to a sudden storm. These are all real scenarios that travelers face, and without insurance, the cost and stress can be overwhelming. Travel insurance covers you for unforeseen circumstances like these. It provides a safety net, offering peace of mind, so you can focus on enjoying your trip, rather than worrying about what could go wrong. From medical emergencies to trip cancellations, lost luggage to delayed flights, getting travel insurance can save you from a world of hassle. Travel insurance is a safety net that every traveler should have. And last but not least, embrace the local culture. As you venture into unexplored territories, it's essential to remember that you're not just a tourist but a guest. Understanding and respecting the local culture is a crucial part of the travel experience. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. Immersing yourself in the local culture can turn an ordinary trip into an extraordinary journey. It allows you to see the world through a different lens, broadening your horizons and enriching your understanding of the world. So how can you do this? Start by trying the local cuisine. Food is a universal language, and each dish tells a story about the people and their history. Next, learn a few local phrases. Even a simple thank you in the native language can go a long way. Another great way to immerse yourself is by attending local events or festivals. This provides a unique opportunity to experience the culture firsthand. Experiencing the local culture can make your travels truly unforgettable. So go ahead and embrace the beauty of diversity. So those were our top 5 tips for beginner travelers. As we journeyed together through this ultimate guide, we've explored the ins and outs of what it takes to be a savvy traveler. From the initial stages of researching your destination, we learned that being informed about the local culture, weather, and customs can significantly enhance your travel experience. We then talked about packing smart. Remember, it's about being practical and thoughtful about what you bring along. It's not just about packing light, but packing right. Having the essentials at hand can save you a lot of trouble and ensure a smoother journey. Next, we delved into budgeting wisely. It's about more than just saving money. It's about spending it in the right places, making smart choices, and understanding that sometimes the best experiences don't come with a price tag. We also emphasize the importance of travel insurance. It's one of those things you hope you never have to use, but you'll be grateful for if you do. It's about peace of mind, so you can fully immerse yourself in the adventure without worrying about the what-ifs. And finally, we explored the idea of embracing local culture. Travel isn't just about seeing new places, but about experiencing them. Dive into the local cuisine, learn a few words in the local language, and immerse yourself in the customs and traditions. These experiences are what truly enrich your journey and create lasting memories. So, whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned adventurer looking for a refresher, these tips are designed to help you navigate the world of travel with confidence and curiosity. But hey, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of travel is vast and endlessly fascinating, and the best part? We learn from each other. So, if you have any travel tips of your own, we'd love to hear them. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like this video and share your own travel tips in the comments below. Safe travels!